I'm one of those people who find a favorite brush and stick to it forever. That's why it was very hard for me when I made the change from SAI to CSP, since the latter didn't have the exact same brushes I was using before. However, I decided to give the Clip Studio Assets page a try, and that's how I found the following gems. Keep in mind that to use these exact brushes you need to have CSP, but I will do a breakdown of why I like each of them for you to create or download similar ones in the programs you're currently using. So now, you wanna visit assets.clipstudio.com. As you can see, here is my CSP profile, and if we click right here, you'll notice I've downloaded a ton of brushes, mostly for decoration purposes and for trying them out. If we go, I think, all the way back to page 4, and we'll find some of the brushes I use the most. So first of all, I've got Horse Oil Remake by Tsua. This brush is my holy grail for painting. I usually modify the opacity, but that's about it. This brush has an effect similar to oil painting, with a bit of texture here and there. It allows blending, but it's very controlled. Over here we got Pencil Art by Red Juice. This is one of my favorite brushes for line art. The gritty texture and the analog pencil feeling are what I like the most. And next we got 6 Pencil Soft by Rollermets. This is another brush I use for line art. I love how soft it is. It has a texture, but it slides across the canvas so nicely. I love it. I use this when I want a more defined solid line art. Next is SU Cream Pencil by Chita Young. This brush is very versatile. Sometimes I complement my liner with it, and also you often use it to color areas of interest and add volume to my drawings. It doesn't have much blending, but it includes a lot of texture. Then another one of my holy grails is Zipper Fasteners by Vitamin01. While I own many brushes for decorations, this is by far the one I use most. The line quality is superb and the brush dynamic is amazing. It saves me a lot of time and makes things look way more polished. Feel free to download these brushes and try more if you want. I know it's hard to resist. I usually go for organic analog brushes with just the right amount of grit and not much blending, since I like my drawings to look crisp but have that bit of texture added in the mix. I will put a link to each of the brushes in the class notes. And now we have our tools, it's time to start learning about drawing humans. See you in chapter 2!